Takoyaki balls. Ingredients: 1 2/3 cup flour, 2½ cup dashi soup, 2 eggs, half a pound boiled octopus, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1/4 cup chopped green onion, 1/4 cup dried sakura, red shrimp, 1/4 cup chopped pickled red ginger. For toppings: katsuobushi, dried bonito flakes, aonori, green seaweed powder, Worcestershire sauce or takoyaki sauce, mayonnaise. Directions: mix flour, dashi soup, and eggs in a bowl to make batter. Thickness of the batter should be like potage soup. Put oil inside cups of a takoyaki grill pan. Pour batter into the cups to the full. Put octopus, red ginger, and green onion in each hole. Grill takoyaki balls, turning with a pick. When takoyaki become rounds and brown, remove them from the pan and place in a plate. Put sauce and mayonnaise on takoyaki and sprinkle bonito flakes and aonori on the top.